brand gives the Trunner LX a lifestyle refresh for 2025, transforming the early 2000s hybrid trainer into a retro-inspired women's silhouette. Ditching the usual silver overlays and white mesh of typical tech runners, this version sports bold green and black color blocking for a more fashion-forward edge. Retailing at $135 and arriving exclusively in women's sizing, it leans into aesthetics from 1980s and 1990s runners, a direction that complements its structured, panel-rich design. Originally built for athletes across various sports, the LX now finds a second life in casual streetwear. In parallel, Jordan Brand is also unveiling the Trunner OS, a completely new model that fully embraces its retro runner DNA with unapologetically vintage flair. Whether you're drawn to the heritage styling of the Trunner OS or prefer the updated minimalism of the Trunner LX, the line's revival merges nostalgia with modern sensibilities, offering a unique blend of style and performance for fall 2025.